So guys, so I just put my headphones on, my new ones that I bought, $30 over at Rite Aid. They're called the SkullCandy Dime 2 Dark Blue, but these are actually green. But anyway, so these sound fire. These sound really good. So I just connected them, and so when you first pair them, it's actually going to come out as Dime 2 Dark Blue. So they're connected. And let me show you guys what, so basically this is what it looks like. That's our charger. So the way the charger is it's actually a weird type, USB like the regular one. So let me show you guys real quick. So right here. So I'm charging using my 5-watt charger. I know this is the only 5-watt brick that I have. That is the only brick that I have is a USB type A, or I forgot what type that is. But it's basically just that for some reason. I don't know why there's like 2 different types. But, so no worries. So if you buy these, so basically it goes like this. So up here, we'll go up here like this, see? So it just connects like that. I know, it's weird, right? So that's how it charges. And then the other end is this right here. So yeah, so where are the volume at? That's where the volume at right now. See the volume? That's where the volume at right there. When you connect them, it's going to start out that low when you first connect them. Where you want to go is like that, up that high. Very nice bass on these earbuds. Steven Share. These are really good. Was not expecting this whatsoever. Two pairs of really good non-Apple earbuds. So these are CVS, these are Rite Aid. So I'm listening to my favorite song, Steven Share. Basically, so they have the sticker on it, right? So the charge is here, right here, like that, see? You'll see like the top of the headphone right here. It indicates which side goes in which. And then when you close it, you'll see that, as you guys saw. So they come dead, basically, so to charge them when you get home. So yeah, Dime 2, 100% recyclable, packaging, emballed, recyclable. These are cool. I want to see some real quick. So they say they're auto connects. So I just want to see some real quick. So we take them out. They're really tiny. So they're charging, right? Like that. See that, guys? So yeah, these are So you press this button here to connect them. So let me see some real quick. They're really auto connect. Let me see some real. Are you joking? Yo! That's cool. Everyone's copying Apple now with the auto connect. Okay, that is really, really cool. They actually like auto connect. So since these are really tiny and they fit good in my ear, as you can see, they fit good in my ear. But I wouldn't like recommend like, you know, wearing this like while riding my scooter. See how like they pop through like that? That's pretty cool. So I'm not gonna wear these while riding my scooter simply because of how tiny they are. But I will wear them otherwise. So you know, that's super cool. So these headphones sound really, really good. So yeah, there's this other thing. Where did it go? It's on my desk somewhere. There it is. So this right here, I'll try to figure out how it goes, how you put it through there. But, I mean, I don't know. I'll figure it out at some point, right? I'll figure it out. So yeah, oh yeah, I do have my Tile app. Duh. So let's see here. Headphones. Activate a tile. How do you do that? Let's see. SkullCandy wireless headphones. Dime series. Alright, so let's do this. Let's activate these. Alright, let's activate them. So activate, remove left earbud from charging case. Okay. Okay, so tile is activated. Next, continue. Now, okay, so it says here, move left earbud. Did it work? Tap to find your ring dime tile. Alright, cool. Because I have tile now, so, because it's really cool. I'm glad I do this on video, actually. It's pretty cool, so yeah, now, because it says here, because that's what really caught my eye yesterday, is that, says here, it says find with tile, which is that app. So, I bought a tile, like fob thing or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like something like similar to what, trying to think. What, the, AirTag does. And it makes life a lot easier when you have things like that. Like Tile, Apple, I mean, yeah, so that's, I'm glad I got that, was able to do that. I did that on video, so super cool, right? So, that's what really caught my eye is that. So, when you go to Tile, on your Tile app, so what you want to do is, which you've already seen me do live, like literally not live, but you want to go to add tile devices. So down the list, I'm gonna show you guys like down the list here what we got going on here. And so we got SkullCandy wireless headphones. Yeah. So which SkullCandy device would you like to activate tile on? So the tile activating device of the SkullCandy headphones, we got Crusher ANC, Crusher Evo, Crusher ANC 2, Dime series, which we just did, Grind Grind series, Hesh ANC, Hesh Evo, and then Indie series. Next up, we're going to go, HP laptops. So, Tile currently supports Tile laptops. Doesn't show a list, though. Fitbit apparently does as well. I have a Fitbit. Dell. XP Stylus, Premier Active Pen, and WL5022 headset. Key Smart Pro or Max. And then we got Bose. So Bose, we have just one pair of Bose headphones on here, looks like, I guess. JLab, it's a popular brand. JBud Air ANC, Epic Air Sport ANC, Epic Air ANC, JBuds Air Sport, and then JBuds Air Pro. Smile Direct Club. Didn't know you could track your Smile Direct Club dentures, like, I don't know, I forget what you do. I don't know. Pet ID tag, so the Qlo track. Plantronics, we got Voyager 42 110 series, Voyager I think it's called Voyager 5200, Voyager 4220, and Voyager 4240. Let's see, Synesor Montanon headset, 2 wireless earbuds from Glid IC, Sound Air TW71 True, 6100, 5100, 5200, and 4000. Okay, and then we got MSI laptops, Lenfo laptops, Fujizu laptops, a Japanese type card, I guess, Nomad, charger, I think, Bionica, okay, for you, like to go over your key, I guess. So yeah, that's all it is for that. So right now on my phone, this phone here, I have now my dumb earbuds and keys, because I bought the Tile, you know what I'm talking about, the, I know exactly where they are. I just want to play a song for you guys. But yeah, this phone. But yeah, so yeah, the Tile, like it's similar to like your I'm trying to think of the word. Like I said, your AirTag. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching and have a great rest of your day. Thank you all for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.